It has been often seen that a lot of people who want to begin in stock market, they want to make a quick money out of it. So they get attracted towards option trading or intraday or futures very quickly. But trust me friends, option trading, futures and intraday, this is not for beginners. It is very risky and it requires years of experience and knowledge, and even then it can go really bad and get you huge losses. So in today's video we are going to talk about why it is so bad to do option trading and why it can give you huge losses. So let's talk about the first part. So firstly, these type of trading requires a significant amount of knowledge and experience. So unless you have a lot of knowledge, I would suggest don't go for it. And beginners generally do not have the understanding of the key terms and how the markets behave, what kind of news to follow, and what kind of technical analysis they need to do before buying a stock. And also, you need to do risk management, because the experienced traders do risk management and they understand that okay, I am not going to take risk after this much point. They know when to sell even if they are getting losses. There is a thing called stop loss. So they understand, okay, I am getting losses but I have to cut my losses down, and they know, and it can trigger the stop losses and all. But beginners do not understand this and they keep on waiting that the stock will go up and end up incurring huge losses. So I would suggest you avoid this. Now talking about the second aspect, this type of trading involves a high degree of leverage, and leverage means you take money from the market or from the brokerage firm and you use that to earn money. But when you take leverage, it's kind of loan, and it amplifies the potential losses. So it's like you are not only getting the losses on your own money, but you are taking loan and losing that amount also, which you'll have to pay back to the entity that you have borrowed from. So a small mistake or any uneventful market fluctuation can result in significant financial loss, and you can really feel the heat at that moment. So now moving on to the third point, intraday trading is a fast-paced, highly stressed trading, and it requires a lot of mental activity and mental strength and agility. So any emotional decision can really backbite, and it's not suitable for everyone basically. So beginners may find it difficult to handle the pressure and volatility of the market and may succumb to the pressure or the urgency that is required in this kind of trading. So if you really want to invest in market, if you really want to grow, my suggestion would be, as a beginner, you should first try to understand the basics and you should focus on long-term investments. Long-term investments are the ones that will reap you maximum benefits without risking too much. Second point is, try to invest in the companies that are well known and that are well established and that are meant to grow in next 10 years. So you can have your own set of companies that you believe that they will definitely do good, like Nestle for example. So Nestle will keep on growing because it has got very huge customer base in India. So similarly, target few companies and buy the long-term stocks for those companies, and hope the things will go well. Now talking about what to buy, whether you have to buy a stock or a mutual fund, so that requires its own understanding of whether you want to buy stock or mutual fund. I have created a video that is dedicated to this topic, but just to give you an overview, stocks are the small portion of any company. So when you buy stock, you buy a small portion of any company. Mutual fund is also somebody buying stock, but you don't directly buy the stock. Rather, your fund manager or the company that you have bought mutual fund from, they will buy the stocks of different companies on your behalf, and they will make sure that they do the technical part of buying and selling, and they will just give you the profits or losses based on that. But the thing is, in stocks, you are the one who will manage everything. You will analyze, you will buy, you will sell. So for beginners, it's better to go with mutual fund, and then once you have good understanding of the market, you understand all the financial ratios and all, then you can go ahead and you can decide whether you want to buy some stocks. So you can check out my video. It's a very good video and informative video about this topic. Let me know if this video is helpful. I can come up with more videos in future. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel so we can continue to help people in order to save their hard-earned money.